So how do you update Google on your Android phone? So let me talk about it and explain it. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So as you can see, I have a dedicated Google folder on my phone, which means that I have plenty of Google apps, right? And all of them can be updated. So as you can tell, I have the Google, the basic one, or the official, like just for the search. I have the browser and so on. But generally speaking, you can update them if you go to the Play Store like this. Make sure you get started if you haven't done that already, right? But just go to the regular place and find either the apps, like you can manually search for the apps, like I can just type in Google and see if there is any update available, right? So for me, there isn't. I can only open or uninstall the app, but you can as well just tap on your profile within the Play Store, go to Manage Apps and a Device, and you will see the updates, right? So you can see if there are any updates available. You can check for them for all of the apps or see those which recently got updated. So it depends on whether you have the updates set automatically or not, right? That kind of is up to you, but you will have the ability to get the latest version of any Google app as such. Right, so this is where you would be able to find it. I hope that I was able to guide you through it and help you find the place where you can get the latest version of Google services. That's going to be about it, and I'm going to see you later in the future uploads.